Are you ready to be part of the Altadena rebuilding plan that puts sustainability first?
This June 25th and 26th, join changemakers, thought leaders, and your neighbors at the 5th Green Economy Conference at the LA Arboretum, where the future of Altadena resilience begins.
Introducing ReBuild LA Green by Community 3.0X, a visionary platform blending green innovation with community action.
As author Paul Hawken says, the world is not given to us by our parents. It is borrowed from our children.
Get inspired by local solutions, connect with sustainability pioneers, and help shape a future rooted in equity, resilience, and regeneration.
Altadena, it's time to rebuild, greener than ever.